My research name is Telescopic Subway Handle based on the locking structure. Nowadays, subway in large and medium-sized cities has become one of the most important means of transportation for people to travel. So it's very important to ensure the safety and comfort of subway ride. After the investigation, it's found that many people in the subway process encountered not enough handle, high discomfort, and other problems. As a result, I am inspired to propose the original idea of the subject. The handle is designed to be telescopic to improve the safety and comfort of the trip. Then, once in a car, I found that the seatbelt could be pulled out slowly, but it will be fixed when it encounters a car brake impact. In other words, the car seatbelt and my expected handle have the same telescopic and protective functions. So I decided to apply the seatbelt locking principle to the subway handle. The questionnaire was used to investigate people's demand for telescopic handles. As shown in the left chart, it shows that due to lack of height, the problem of not pulling handles will appear or even high frequency. As shown in the right chart, about 74% of people agreed to solve such problems by adding telescopic handles, indicating the need to solve such problems. The diagram of the overall structure and the partial locking structure are as follows. As shown in the left picture, without changing other designs, only the connection between the handle and the crossbar is modified, and the locking structure is added at the connection to achieve the desired function. And the internal assembly of the locking structure is shown in the right picture. All in all, the new handle I envisioned has the following three functions. First, it can stretch at will. Second, it can be fixed at any time. Third, it can be recycled automatically. I have made the following improvements to the handle's design. I adjusted the thickness of the strip on the shaft in the original locking structure so that the handle can trigger the lockout at any time after pulling out any length. I reduced the error of triggering lockout by changing the gear spacing and size on both sides of the shaft and increasing the number of gears. I changed the torque of the reel in the structure to make the required force to pull out and the speed of recovery to the best condition. Fourth, when the handle is recycled after use, the upper end will collide with the crossbar used for suspension, which may cause damage to the handle for a long time. Therefore, a sponge pad is added to the top of the handle to extend its life. To more truly reflect the feasibility of this subway handle, I will show you its functions in a real subway car. During the whole process of shooting, I was in a shaking subway car and completed the shooting under the protection of the new handle, which can be regarded as a true application of the product.
You can say, I can easily and quickly extend the handle to their most suitable height to use. This is the first function of this handle, elongation. After extending the handle to the appropriate height, just stop pulling it down. It will automatically be fixed at this height, no matter how inclined my body, as long as firmly grasped will not appear safety risks. Some people ask, in case in the process of pulling down the handle, not yet fixed height, the subway has been started. With the fall of the body, the handle will be infinitely elongated, resulting in an accident. Okay, don't worry, now I'm shifting my body's center of gravity to simulate the damage to human balance when the subway starts or stops. It can be seen that when my body is dumped, it will also trigger the locking structure inside the handle instantly, thus making the handle stop elongation and play a protective role. This is the second function of this handle, fixed. Finally, after using the handle, just simply let go of the hand. It will be automatically recycled to the initial height to facilitate the next passenger to continue to use. This is the third function of this handle, automatic recovery.
Firstly, the problem of passengers on uneven height has been solved, and the comfort and safety during trip has been guaranteed. Secondly, according to the survey, most short passengers choose to seize the vertical pole, but the vertical pole can satisfy a limited number of people, and easy to cause the flow of people to accumulate at the entrance. Thirdly, such a design can improve the city image and reflect the modernization of urban governance. This design does not involve high-end cutting-edge technology, but therefore has the advantages of simple operation, easy to apply, and low cost. To carry out more measurement and application experiments. Second, to control the cost and improve the appearance. Third, to improve the stability of the connection of the handle. Fourth, get support of the Shanghai government and the subway company. Fifth, to install some telescopic subway handles in the subway car for trial operation. 6. To promote it to other countries and put it into production.